Introduce highlight features and quick overview of BELIJA Handheld Vacuum, hand vacuum cordless with high power, quick charge. Portable water washable filter with powerful cyclonic suction vacuums cleaner. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility to clean anywhere with this lightweight car vacuum cleaner. You can easily use it to clean stairs, kitchens, cars, or hard-to-reach corners. Equipped with 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, handheld vacuum cleaner can be full charged in 2 to 3 hours and could work constantly for 25 to 30 minutes. Our hand vacuum set comes complete with all the cleaning accessories you need, for deep cleanliness, whether dry or wet. The brush tool can loosen hair and dust which is stuck in objects for better cleaning. The crevice nozzle tool can be used to clean sofas, crevices, and corners. Our cordless dust buster uses a 120 watts high-power motor with strong suction power. It can not only suck out daily pet hair, cat litter, paper scraps, and debris, but also remove invisible dust particles below 0.3 microns that are difficult to reach. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.